In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the domain name in Gumroad. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring it's simple and easy to follow, even if you're new to using Gumroad. Let's dive right in. First, you need to be logged into your Gumroad account and have your dashboard open. This is your main hub for managing your store, offering you a glimpse of all your current activities and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to locate the side panel. This side panel contains a menu with numerous options for managing your store. The option you want to focus on right now is the Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. Anytime you want to change how your account looks or behaves, the Settings is your go-to place. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for a section called Advanced. This section is like opening up a toolkit where you can fine-tune various aspects of your account. When you click on Advanced, you'll enter a space where you can give your Gumroad store a more personalized touch and make changes that reflect your brand better. Within these advanced settings, scroll down a bit until you see a field labeled Domain. Now, this is where the magic happens. Here, you can input the custom domain that you've chosen and own. It's essential to double-check and ensure the domain name is entered correctly. Your domain is a crucial part of your brand identity, and getting it right can help with not only branding, but also making your store more memorable and professional-looking to your audience. After you've entered your new domain, you want to make sure these changes are saved. Typically, you'll find a Save or Update button right at the bottom of the settings page. Click on that to confirm your changes. It's these little actions that get your adjustments officially made, so don't skip this step. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed the domain name on your Gumroad account. This small tweak can make a significant difference in how your store is perceived by visitors. It's a straightforward process, but this customization can make your digital storefront uniquely yours. This refinement not only enhances the look of your store, but also helps solidify your brand's presence online. Thank you for tuning in, and I trust that with your new custom domain, you'll have an even more successful journey on Gumroad. Happy selling!